Okay, let's try that one more time without the cussing. Now that I've realized that the wire wasn't that tight in there, I can just pull this forward just a little bit and just pull it out. These wires right here are actually for these wires over here, these are actually for the ECC, or the electronic climate control. And what I was saying crap about was because I had to, well, let me shine some light on the subject. I had to lift up this bar over here with a jack. I had to use a floor jack there to get creative. I had to jack it up underneath the cabin air filter right here, because these little brackets, there's on the right side only, there's a bracket right here which is held in place by a 12 millimeter bolt, and there's a bracket on the back side, and on the driver's side there's two holes. There's one right here and there's one right here. And the problem is this bar is it won't bend. It's easy to get in there. I already have the other two on the other side. I had to take these out to adjust it. The bar it goes in these holes, a rigid bar across there, and then this piece over here, this HVAC system, is supposed to be lifted in there. Well, it's heavy enough as it is. And then in the back side, these two front supports are here for the passenger side airbag. There's two. You can't see them, but there's so I can show you. There's two holes down there. Those two holes in there, they both support bracket. They support the HVAC system. And see, this is why I wanted to put in those filters. I'm sorry, not filters. The foam pieces last. This thing over here is these foam supports are flopping around, and then I have to. It's all a giant big puzzle. I have to do it multiple at a time. Anyway, I'm gonna cut this short. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go in the house and relax. All right, bye.